There's Tracy. Hi, Tracy. Immediately. Oh, okay. Well, we'll not look immediately to my left. We'll go into the right because there's a gasp.
We have conditioner.
Finally, conditioner.
Body wash, a shampoo and conditioner in the bathroom. How nice
Awesome.
is that?
That's really cool.
I mean, it's quite dated. It's the bathroom,
Yeah.
isn't it?
But it has conditioner.
Conditioner, which makes up for it, yeah.
Dove stuff as well, which is quite nice. A nice big shower with a rainfall head. What have we got here? Body lotion and hand wash. Oh, the Pulley Outie Super Magnificent. Oh,
See all your pores.
see everything you need to see.
You don't want to see.
Wherever you need to see it. Yep. Sink, blue, double roll, just in case. 2 glasses above the toilet because, well, that's where they should be. A couple of nice fluffy towels. Oh, she's rummaging. There's things worth rummaging about.
It's a hairdryer.
A hairdryer.
We have a hairdryer, that's good.
Okay, a couple of hangers and a thing, I guess, for doing washing.
Laundry, yeah.
Yep. More
Iron
hangers.
and iron board as well. You don't often see that either, do you?
Iron board and iron.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Right, going into the main room. Ooh. Let's do the ooh sound. Let's bring this out a little bit so it's a bit easier to see. There we go. Right. Massive bed.
Huge bed, which is amazing.
That's fantastic. No parts shall touch tonight. No cheeks. Some spare towels in the bedside stand. That's there we go. And the wee phone and light, bedside light. It's a nice cosy glow in here actually.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, good size.
Nice big telly as well.
Huge telly, yeah. It's massive. A full length mirror.
Little mirror here.
And somewhere to pop your bags.
Yeah. And then we have all the usual teas, coffees. Nothing fancy. Nice disco biscuits.
Little Christmas present for
And
us and
yeah,
Carol.
we got this Christmas present from
We don't need to open it yet. Well,
Oh,
go on then.
I'm going to open
Okay,
it.
you open it then.
Boxing Day present should have been opened yesterday.
I know. Now keep in mind, you don't get this every day.
No.
This is just for special people and special days.
Nice little
Aww,
selection box.
wunderbar.
With a cup of tea in bed later.
That'll sort us out, aye.
Yeah, awesome. How nice is that?
What have we got in the tea front?
We have
Some nice classic tea.
Peri tips.
Wonderful.
No Yorkshire tea, but that's
Yeah,
okay.
That's okay.
That's okay. Yeah.
All the usual bits and pieces.
Yeah.
Kettle. No fridge.
No,
Nowhere to keep your juice cool.
it'll do for the night, won't it? Definitely.
That'll do for a night.
Yeah.
Your handy Kleenex next to the bed, just in case of any accidents. Got a nice big light. Do we have anything in here? Oh, we do. We do. Okay, that's wonderful. We can charge our phones at night. No bedside table aside either. That's unusual.
Oh, yeah.
But there's a socket, so down the back there. So if, like myself, use a CPAP device or anything like that, it's always handy to know there's a socket near the bed. It saves a lot of hassle. Well, there you go. What do you think?
I'm happy.
That's fine for a night.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, probably
And
worth.
it's so close to
Oh,
the
yeah.
terminal. So we just did Valley Parking,
Yep.
which was literally about a minute walk.
The Valley Parking was right next door
Yeah,
to this
a minute
hotel.
walk
Yeah,
to here, and then this hotel is about a minute walk to the terminal.
yeah, just straight
Yeah.
across.
Yeah, really
Pedestrian
nice location.
sort of crossing, and you're there. Just also to point out, it's also handy. There is air conditioning here as well. That can be handy in the summer.
Yeah.
But there you go. Not a bad wee room. Looks quite cosy. Quite happy with that for the night. Looking forward to the big bed. Not much more to say than that. But I hope that's helpful to anyone that's planning on coming through here. It's a good choice. I think for the night, it cost us literally 70 quid for the night. For the two of us, it was really cheap. And I was seeing rates from £53 tonight, and this is Boxing Day, so it's a busy busy time. Downstairs looked packed. There was a bit of a restaurant downstairs when we
Yes,
came
we're
in.
not doing food in the restaurant tonight.
Ah, but
they're
that's an exception
Yeah,
to
I
the
suppose
rule.
'cause it's
It's
Boxing
because
Day,
it's Boxing Day. They
But they are
generally do.
doing the restaurant menu in the bar, so
Yes.
we'll go down for food.
Till 9:30 tonight. So we're going to go and get a bite to eat and maybe a little half shandy.
Drinky poo.
We drinky poo now. We don't have to drive till January some point. Anyway, yeah.